English speaking course.
Number 6. Best friend 2.
Who's that girl over there?
The girl with blonde hair? That's Olivia, my best friend.
Is she in class B?
Yes, she is. She loves playing volleyball and she can swim as well.
You seem to know everything about your best friend.
Yes, I do. We have many things in common. We both enjoy reading books and watching movies.
Really? But you don't look as sporty as her.
Oh, you're right. That's the only thing that makes us different.
I also have a best friend. His name is Jim. He's taller than me and he's really good at math. We like playing football together.
Do you guys play video games?
Yeah, sometimes we play Mario after school.
Oh, I know that game. It's really good.
Does Olivia like playing games?
She doesn't like it at all, but she will play if there's someone else to play with.
That's good. Join us next time.
Sure will. Number 7. Hobbies.
What do you usually do in your free time, Kim?
Me? I'm really into gardening. I love flowers and plants.
Sounds interesting.
What about you, Caleb?
Nothing special, just hanging out with friends.
Do you have any indoor hobbies?
Oh, yes, I'm fond of listening to music.
Me too. Which singer do you like?
I'm a big fan of Ariana Grande.
I once heard Seven Rings. It's really catchy.
Exactly. I really like the melody.
Do you know Charlie Puth?
I know his song named See You Again, but he's not really my style at all.
All right, so do you like watching TV shows or films?
Not really. I'm too lazy to binge watch episodes.
Unlike me, whenever I have free time, I will find a new show to enjoy.
That's a great hobby. I wonder if there's anyone who loves doing homework.
No way! Homework is the most boring thing on earth.
I totally agree.
Number 8. Hobbies 2. What are you doing, Jeremy?
I'm listening to music.
Do you like listening to music?
Not at all. I just need some music when I'm about to sleep.
Do you have any hobbies?
I'm afraid no. I'm not really into any specific things.
Oh, I see. So, there's still someone without a hobby.
Yup. I guess your hobby is climbing, right? Sophia?
How do you know about it? I never told you.
Come on. When we talk about what to do, you always suggest climbing mountains.
Oh, I've just realized. But I also like doing other things.
For example,
Cooking. I always help my mom prepare meals at home.
what can you cook?
Almost everything. I just need a recipe and ingredients.
Wow, that's cool. Can you cook for me sometimes?
Okay, but I will not cook for free. You'll have to pay me.
Really? I thought we were friends.
But you still have to pay. Number 9. Expressing likes and dislikes. Oh, what a cute dog.
Ugh, I don't like dogs.
Really? But they're loyal and friendly to humans.
But they are big. I don't like big pets. And sometimes they're stinky. I'm only interested in cats and rabbits.
I love all the animals. I think they're adorable.
Really? Can a lion be adorable?
Lion cubs can be cute, don't you think so?
Never mind. Do you want a drink? I'm thirsty.
Yes, please.
Do you want Coca Cola?
No, I don't like Coca Cola. Just water, please.
Oh, okay. I really love soft drinks such as Coca Cola.
I think everyone loves Coke, but I'm not a fan of sweet things.
Is that so? No wonder you always choose water or dark coffee.
You're right. Wow, the air is so fresh today. Lucky that we have time to run in such a beautiful weather.
Couldn't agree more. I like running on sunny days.
So do I.
Okay, let's continue running.
Number 10. Getting a ride.
Lucas speaking. Can I ask who's calling?
Hey, Lucas. It's me, Will.
Hi, Will. What's the matter?
Do you remember about James' birthday tomorrow?
Oh, yes, the party will start at 7 p.m., right?
Yeah, but, well, can you pick me up tomorrow? I don't have a car myself. I asked my dad to lend me his car, but he won't let me.
No problem. Text me your home address.
Thank you. It's not far from your house, so I think it will be convenient.
That's great. And do you want me to drive you to buy birthday gifts before that?
Oh, I already prepared a gift, but I can go with you if you like.
Cool. Glad you have time. I don't know what to buy for James.
Don't worry, I can help you. When can I get a ride from you?
Probably 5 p.m. What do you think?
Will 5:15 p.m. be all right?
I'm good with it.
Great, so see you tomorrow.
Goodbye.